What's up, Humor? Back to another video, and today I'm going to be giving you a fidget haul. So let's get started. So first, we have my rainbow pop-it. Let me pop it. You can't hear it yet, but I really like it. Just because, I don't know, I just like popping it. And this is not my favorite side, the quiet side. It's also hard to pop, but here's the loud side. You can hear it. Actually, no, I need it loud. There we go. That's the last time. Here's the quick side. Okay, you can barely hear that. Next, we have my wacky track. I love my wacky track. But it is kind of weird because it goes like that and the other side goes like that. Not as easily. Next, we have this other wacky track that's orange and green. And it's really satisfying and clicky. Next, we have my mochis. One of them's really dirty. I have this dirty cat mochi. All my mochis are cats. I have this yellow cat mochi. And I have this pink cat mochi. There we go. Okay, I need to take some stuff out. All the stuff. Next, I have my dirty stress balls, air stress balls. They might be goggles, but they're also air stress balls, and I have 3 of them. I don't want to take these out because they get really sticky really easily. But I'm just going to put them on top of my pop-it. Next, we have the monkey noodles. I have a green one. I have a yellow one. And I have a pink one. They're both really, really stretchy. This. That's one long, stretchy monkey noodle. Okay, so these are my monkey noodles. Next, we have fidget spinners. I have this mini fidget spinner, and I have this big fidget spinner. My least favorite fidget. Next, we have marble and mesh. I have a yellow, a pink, a blue, and a green. Next, we have acupressure rings. I have 3 golds. And 2 silvers. Next, we have a bike chain. I only have 1 bike chain, and it's a big bike chain. But yeah. Next, the last fidget I have 2 of. I have 2 peas in a pod. The middle one has a cute little face. Hello. Hello. Yeah, that's my peas in a pod. Ooh, look at this cool shape. mochi, marble and mash, fidget spinners. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all next time. Goodbye.